Stuart Benjamin here, Stuart Benjamin Jewelry Designs. I want to take you behind the scenes of what we do at Stuart Benjamin Designs. All our custom design and repairs are done right here on premises. So let's say you have a ring that you've worn for 20 years, very, very popular, you love it, but the shank breaks. Okay, so we could fix that for you behind the scenes at Stuart Benjamin and Company Jewelry Design. So come on back and we'll show you how it's done. Here we go. Here's your ring. Done in our own shop and our own premise. Ready to go. Shiny, fixed, stones beautiful, ready to go. All done on our premise. So remember, it's Stuart Benjamin and Company Jewelry Designs. All the work is done on the premise. And certain jobs can be done in one day. So please come on down and see us. Have a great day.